5 things men are better at than women. First one is moving on after rejection. If you know men, then you know that we men are used to rejection. We don't see rejection as anything. But if you reject a girl, that girl can become depressed for 1 month. Women fear rejection more than anything. This is why most times women don't like to approach guys they like because they fear rejection. Too much. 2, living with less. Men can obviously live with less, financially and otherwise. 3, taking the first step. Men are better at taking the first step, be it approaching someone, starting a business, or trying something new. 4, hiding their emotion. We men are better at hiding our emotions than women. 5, fixing problems instead of talking about it. Women are better at that. Women will talk about problems and problems without trying to fix it. Us men, we simply try to fix it.